Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can return a Zalando item. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. Firstly, use your chosen web browser and go to zalando.it. When you visit Zalando, the homepage, find and press the profile icon. Under the account options, click on your account to access your settings and information. In the account menu, search for returns and click on it. In the return section, select return article. Here you have to click on create return. This will guide you through the required steps to start a process of your desired item. Once the return process is done, go back to the main account page or return section. You should be presented with confirmation that you haven't returned anything in the past 6 months. So that's basically how you can return a Zalando item. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.